Hello everyone, this is me Sahil Gupta and now we are going to see the working concept of water dispenser. So let's start. This is the 9 volt battery for the power supply to relay and water pump, and here is the ultrasonic sensor which will sense the hand. If someone hand get near to this sensor, it will send the signal to Arduino that it has sensed the hand, and it will according to it will active the whole system. And here is the buzzer and light for the indication purpose, and here is the power supply to make the Arduino active. So let's start the simulation part. And one thing I want to make clear that instead of this motor we will use water pump. Means both of them function is same, but in water pump what happened, from input side, inlet valve, it will take the water from the tank, and from outlet valve it will water will exit. So let's take example. This is the water pump. So I have set the range of 60 centimeter. If someone hand get near to this sensor within a range of 60 centimeter, it will turn on the water pump. See, it is running 26 RPM, and it will also turn on the indication system, light and buzzer. And if I make it out of the range, see this is now 0 RPM, and our indication system is also turned off. So what happens when someone hand get near to this sensor will send the signal from the echo side. This is the echo side. It will send the signal to Arduino that it has sensed the hand, and Arduino will process the signal, and according to code it will turn on the indication system and our water pump, and then afterward our water pump will pour the water on our hand, so we can easily wash our hand without contact of faucet.